Well, hello once again, my friends, and welcome back. Welcome to an undisclosed secret location, a hidden location. I just want to take this time to say a couple things here real quick. I first want to say thank you to all of the subscribers to the channel, as we just recently passed a milestone of 500 subscribers, and this is a really great accomplishment for me. I remember back when I only had 10, 11, 12. So I'm really excited that the channel is beginning to grow a little bit more. And it's all because of you guys. And I really do appreciate you. I'm not saying that, I really mean it. And I especially appreciate all of you who leave comments. I like to think that we're creating a community here of like-minded nature enthusiasts, hikers, fishermen, amateur filmmakers, whatever your particular interest is. But feel free, I encourage all of you to leave comments, ask questions, and engage in the channel. One of the great experiences of this YouTube adventure for me, besides going to all these cool places, has been being able to contact lots of very interesting people, even make some new friends. So I want to say sincerely one more time, thank you very much. I started out with some very humble goals for the channel. Ideally, I wanted to reach 1,000 subscribers, and we're halfway there. We're more than halfway there now. Another thing that I wanted to discuss here briefly was in regards to the future of the channel, the short-term future. In terms of like my work schedule. So basically I have periods of time where I get very busy with work, and then other periods of time where work gets slow and I'm able to do a lot more filming and have a lot more time for YouTube. Right now I'm in a busy period, so I may decide to cut back from like one video every 7 to 10 days or so to probably one video maybe every 2 weeks. And the issue is not getting out to the trails and to the places. The issue is having time to do the editing. Because one of the important things for me here with this channel is that I put out quality work. And I know for myself, and I think for you, the viewers as well, especially if you are watching this, you know that you come to expect a certain quality, a certain standard from my channel. Now, I won't put things out onto YouTube if I don't feel that it has a good value in some sense. There's times where I go out and film and go home and look at the footage and decide, well, it's just not good enough. There's other times like today where I'm simply scouting locations to look for future places to film at. Sometimes the weather doesn't cooperate, sometimes it's camera malfunctions, or different things happen. But I want you to know that if I put something out there and it's got my name on it, that I believe it's a good product and it's worth watching. Because I appreciate you guys, I appreciate your time. I know how valuable time is, right? Time is very valuable in today's world. So I want you to know that when you see one of my videos that you're going to see something good. But that's about it. So thank you one more time to all of the 500, I believe currently 17 subscribers at the time that I'm making this. Hopefully by the time I post it, it may be even more than that. But I do appreciate all of you, and please get engaged with the channel in any way that you would like. And that's about it. So until next time, I'll see you on the trail. Gator out. Let's go.